It can be a finely sliced onion, but would you believe, I find one of the best is chopping an onion into two bags, putting the foot in the bag. So the foot is sitting on the chopped onion, put a sock on and leave it there all night. And we've seen people who've had a bad cough, can't stop coughing, put the onion on the feet, sleep all night with no coughing. Because the biggest pores in the whole of your body are on the soles of your feet.
You can explore the world of natural herbal supplements at Vinnetura.store.